Alright, now we are going to design the turret and ball together with the shaft. Okay, so we have to determine the size of the socket inside. So this is the revolve cut. So the sketch is diameter of 20. So the ball size will be 20. So new part. Okay, front plane sketch. We create a circle. Okay, we draw a circle. Dimension of 20. Alright, and then we divide the circle into two. Okay, and then we are going to trim one side. And then features, we do revolve boss base. Select this line. That's the axis. Okay, check to accept. Alright, now this is our ball. Now we are going to draw the rod. Alright, so it's still on front plane sketch, normal 2. We draw again a circle, the diameter of the shaft. Alright, so we smart dimension. Okay, we put it maybe the hole just now is 14, so we put it 14. Right, and then we go pictures and then extrude boss. Okay, and then we put 1 inch, so that is 25 mm, and then we put a degree. Alright, let's see if it is okay. Check, and then we sketch on this space and then convert entity. Convert entity is making a sketch on the surface. Okay, and then extrude by another 1 inch. Okay, check, or 25 mm. Check. So the 1 inch you will put a thread. So let's see the size of this one. We better. Okay, I delete this one. It's not nice. Okay, yes. So on the sketch of this one, I delete the sketch. Delete. Yes. And then sketch here. Okay, sketch. Normal 2. And then sketch. I draw a circle. So that I can put the dimension of the circle. Alright, I put this one as 10. Enter. So I extrude features, extrude pose by 1 inch, 25 mm. Check. Alright, then again it's already extruded. Then again sketch on this space and then convert entity, and then we go features and we go helix. Alright, so revolution we make it only 25 or okay, check. Now on top plane we sketch normal 2. We're going to sketch the thread. So sketch, so make sure that your sketch touches the helix. Alright, escape. Then we make sure that this is smart dimension. We make it only 0.8. enter, and then we sketch the center line. We find the center of the line. Okay, all right, and then we draw the profile of the thread. So from that point we go and here, and then we mirror entities. We select this line and this line, mirror about, we select the center line. Check. So smart dimension, we put this as 0.2, enter, and then the height we put it as 1. Alright, so everything is already dimension. Check. So now we can now close the sketch, and then features, we go save boss, and then select the helix. Alright, so this is the threaded part of our tie rod and ball. Okay, check. So then we can hide the helix. Okay, so we chamfer this part. So we are going to sketch again on the top plane. Sketch. So our cut, as we did on the previous, must be the same angle. Alright, we make a triangle, a closed triangle, and then we draw a center line so that we can revolve cut. So center line, escape, and then features, we go revolve cut. Alright, and then check. Okay, so this is now our tie and ball and its shape. Now we can change the material. Okay, check. So part 41, and then we can select steel. Alright, you can select this, and then the color we can make it okay, or we can even make it colorful. You want green. Alright, check, and then save as tie rod and ball. Tie rod and ball. Save. Then we're done.